This is me, Mami yours truly, Leonor, in Davao. Sa Colocoyan po tayong pinuulan ngayon. Pero as usual, hindi kaya sa Noveleta na binabaha, konting ulan. Sobrang lakas ng ulan guys, pero ganyan lang ang tubig. Kaya lang, wala po. Maputik guys. Siya lang ang natutuwa guys. Tayong mga tao, hindi tayo masaya. Masaya siguro kung komportable, yung wala ka nang bibilin sa tindahan, kompleto na ang meron ka na lahat sa bahay. Siya lang ang masaya guys. Ang manok, kawawa ang manok guys. Sila lang ang masaya guys, sila lang ang masaya, diba? Ito malungkot so diba malungkot ka? Nung nakaraang vlog ko, naulan din. Ngayon, naulan na naman. Siyempre, gininawang person, kaya nagkape. Diba? Sarap na sarap ang duck, Hi, duck! Are you enjoying swimming over there in front of our house? Oh, hi! Naubos na nila yung kanin doon. Binigyan ko kasi sila ng kanin kanina, kaya nakaabang na naman sila. At may kumalong na naman. Shout out! Halika dito, dali. Giniginaw din to kanina yung pusa. Nayakap ang pusa kanina. Hindi ko naman makarga dahil ito magseselos. Diba tsura, Huwag tayo maglaro. Kasi I'm vlogging, You're so disturbing. I'm vlogging now. Your mama is content creator. That's why I have to making vlog for my free premiere on Saturday at 5:15 p.m. I have to make a vlog, for premiere. Don't bite me. I'm not buto-buto. Ayan. Diba? You're so likot-likot. You're so naughty, Look, ligo siya, Diba? Enjoy siya. Shouty. Shouty all my relatives in Noveleta. It's raining over there. It's summer. Here it's very cold at night. Maybe because bear month is coming. And we have to save money for the gift, for the relatives, and for the inaanak. But if nothing, unahin ang mas importante, Important first, before gastos, spend money, I want to save money because I want to make a roof there. Then we can relax over there. Because ampias, the rain is coming over here. It's coming. That's why we can open here the door when it's heavy rain. Because the rain is coming. And I have to. I want to save money for the roof outside. But we cannot see them like that because it's maybe dry na if they are roof. Tama ba sabi ko, roof? Diba? Diba nakakatawa ang mga duck? Pero si Chuchu, tingnan nga natin si Chuchu kung ano ginagawa. Hey! Gusto mo na lang buksan yung damitan. Look, ang duming tingnan. Hindi yan dumi, guys. Na-scratch na yung mga pintura. You're so naughty, Don't make pakialam over there, You're so crying. But the duck is playing. Look at the duck, Okay, bye-bye now. It's maybe long. It's a long, Bye-bye. See you in another Saturday. Make a shout out to all Team Bebe and to all my subscribers. followers and to my reels. Hello, bye-bye.